Ooh, I can upgrade. I mean, I do want to upgrade this so I can get more damage off my attacks, so nothing personal. But she now has the burn thing. So hold on, because now I'm curious about something. If I hypothetically start off the battle, right? Because she will be in virtuous stance. If I start off the battle, I need to do this one. I would need 9. So that means as soon as I start, I set up my first character. Middle character throws potion to her, and then she can do it. So immediately at the start, I can set up the pyro. And I'm pretty sure the pyro will be better than doing the marking pierce effect. Because the marking pierce effect does 9,000 damage off the rip. However, if it's a long fight, doing the burn damage is definitely better. I think I'm gonna reset now, actually. I think that it just will be better. So hold on. There's nothing here that I care about, but I'm making sure just in case.